Let's shift focus this morning to news coming in from Bengal. A few weeks back, Mamata Banerjee had announced that August 16th will be celebrated and observed as Khela Hobe Divas. That's led to a big face-off because a group of around 50 monks from various Hindu organizations met with the Bengal governor Jagdeep Dhankhar last evening to oppose the Mamata government's decision to mark August 16th as Khela Hobe Divas. After the meet, the governor said that Hindu monks are seeking change in the date of this Khela Hobe Divas as the Muslim League had proclaimed Direct Action Day on this date, which led to large-scale violence as well as bloodshed. Shivendu Adhikari, the leader of opposition in the Legislative Assembly and head of a religious body, also accompanied these monks. Khela Hobe had been, of course, the rallying cry of the TMC in the assembly polls held earlier this year. Chief Minister Mamata recently announced Khela Hobe Divas would be observed in memory of football fans who were killed in a stampede during a match about 40 years ago. The government has stated that it wants to promote sports through celebrations on this day.
16 अगस्त है ना, 16 अगस्त हम लोग का काला दिवस है। उस दिन हम लोग का 5000 के ज़्यादा से हिंदू मार गया। उस टाइम 16 तारीख हमारा काला दिवस मान के चलता था। तो ये हम राज्यपाल को बोल के आए थे दूसरा दिन में उसे खेला वो बने, लेकिन उस दिन मत बनाइए। मैंने उस दिन का शोक का दिवस है, उस दिन का हिंदू समाज में बहुत काला दिवस है, बहुत हिंदू मार गया था। 5000 का ऊपर हिंदू मार दिया था उस दिन। ये 16 अगस्त है, इसलिए राज्यपाल को बोला है जो आपके उस दिन का जो अनुष्ठान हो रहा है दूसरा दिन करो, किंतु उस दिन का हम लोग का जो स्मरण का दिन है उसे कर